We are now on a boat driving through Berlin. People are actually chilling. They are just sitting and just watching the river and just reading.
The guide. I saw people are very nice.
I think people are just very friendly and welcoming, and they know that people are new to the city, so they just want to say hello, and it's just a nice.
तो यूँ तो पूरे दुनिया में कहते हैं कि नदियों के किनारे बसी हुई है सारी सभ्यताएं। लोग जो दुनिया भर में हैं वो सब किसी न किसी नदी पर ही सबसे पहले उन्होंने अपना बसेरा किया है। लेकिन ये नदी है बर्लिन की, जर्मनी के बर्लिन की, और किस खास तरीके से इसको सजाया गया है। इतवार का दिन है और ढेर सारे लोग नदी किनारे आए हुए हैं, पूरा शहर, बहुत सारे लोग, और हम एक बोट की सवारी कर रहे हैं। इसमें ख़ास बात यह है कि जो लोग भी हमें देख रहे हैं बोट से जाते हुए, उनमें से ज़्यादातर लोग हाय करके मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे से हमें ग्रीट कर रहे हैं, हमें वेलकम कर रहे हैं। मीन्स people are love to share the happiness. वे खुश हो रहे हैं और वो कुछ लोग ऐसा डांस करने लग गए हमको देखने के बाद, मतलब ये पूरी जो बोट के लोग हैं उन सबको देखने के बाद, और कुछ लोग खुशी से मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे से हमें ग्रीट करते हैं। So Lucia, this idea, the whole idea of boat ride is yours, I think.
Yes.
So can you tell us and how to make it possible? How many euros we have to spend for this ride?
Sure. So there are several options when you want to do a tour of Berlin. You can either take the shorter tour, that's 1 hour, and it's mostly historical Berlin and the big historical sites. But we decided to take a longer route that's 3.5 hours, and it costs 35 euros, which is 3.5 thousand rupees. And it's 3 hours, and you get to see also the neighborhoods that are less touristy, more insights into history, but also like the normal day of everyday people who just hang out by the side of the canal, read a book, have a date, have an ice cream. So it's a nice way to explore the city without putting in too much effort.
Besitzt neue Nationalgalerie, der Name von Petrun, which is the Uni Sawyer, ist jetzt die alte, nicht weit, die liegt bei der seine eigene neue.
Stay seated when the bridge is too low because you might get it on the head.
Hi, so meet is right here.
Hi guys.
What we are doing?
We are now on a boat driving through Berlin. Right now we are in Kreuzberg, I think, Kreuzberg area, and we are enjoying the views. People are waving to us.
So it's a Sunday and I saw a lot of people here.
Yes.
So is it kind of trend or what? To change? People are used to come to the near to river on Sundays or every day?
Yeah, Sunday is a good day for that, but they do it almost every day. When the sun is out, yeah, I would say.
One more thing that I saw people are very nice and they are sharing some happiness, I think. So is this a kind of trend in Germany or what?
I think people are just very friendly and welcoming, and they know that people are new to the city, so they just want to say hello, and it's just a nice way to share joy. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Nice gesture.
And why they are waving to us?
I don't know, it's very interesting. I was also thinking about that. I think they're finding it very cute, but I'm not so used to that in Germany, that people wave to you. So I think they just, yes, yeah, very nice.
So I have asked Tamil Nadu from India, now she is in Berlin. So let's ask her that what do you actually like in this boat ride?
It's very nice. People are actually chilling. Like they're actually chilling. They're just sitting and just watching the river and just reading. They're not doing anything. In India, we chill by going out, right? We do more things. You go to parks, you go to beach. You always do more things. That is very nice. We should also chill.
What kind of things you can see in this boat ride? What are the buildings? I saw you were listening a lot.
Okay, that I don't remember, but it's about buildings from the World War and 1880s. There is a bridge and there is a sewage plant that was built and now it has been converted into something. And a lot of things. And also quick, this thing is that whatever he's talking is more practical things, it seems, like rent and you know how it is costly here and there. What we are getting in the audio guide is something historical. 1700, 1800. Yeah.
Is this written from there?
Yeah. He's talking completely different things.
Oh. So which area is quite cast?
So this is talking about, yeah, this is talking about how 106 meters from here, that is the area.
So what are the specialities of this boat ride?
So the good thing is, because Berlin has water almost everywhere, when you're on this boat trip, you see every area, every important area, let's say, of Berlin. And you can just chill. It's going for 3 hours. You have like a tour audio guide, it's like a tour guide in German and in English. So you also get further informations about the things that you see. So it's a very nice thing to do when you just don't have so much time in Berlin.
That's true. I'm really enjoying the lakes views actually.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye.
तो बहुत ही खुशनुमा अनुभव है कि एक नदी को, अगर नदी आपके पास है, शहर में अगर है, अगर ऐसा हो गया कि इन योर सिटी यू हैव अ रिवर, तो उस नदी का कितना बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल करें। और इसके कई सारे पक्ष हैं, न सिर्फ खुशियाँ आज इतवार के दिन यहाँ दिख रही हैं, बल्कि एक किस्म का टूरिज्म। मेरे इस बोट पर इस वक्त करीब 40 लोग हैं। इस तरह की कई सारे बोट चलती हो और इस बोट पर कई तरह के खाने पीने और बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पे लोगों को बांटी जा रही हैं। तो एक किस्म की इकोनॉमी भी वहाँ पे डेवलप कर सकते हैं नदी किनारे, और कितनी खूबसूरत लोगों को फील करा सकते हैं। अगर कोई आपके देश में घूमने आया है तो भी, अगर आप अपने खुद के देश में हैं तो भी।
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं।